Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Start Coding Class. So in this series we are working on this Laravel Livewire CRUD application with Tailwind CSS. So we have completed the create post, update post, and also display all the post in this all post section. And also we have completed this when edit post also. So today we are going to see how to delete post when we are going to click on this delete button. So the post will be deleted from our database table. So this is the table posts. So let's go. So create some link on delete button. So first so for this we need to go to postcrud.blade.php file. So let's go. So this is our delete button. So the same what we have done in edit on edit button. So same on click, wire click, we are going to call a delete function, delete, and the same we are going to pass the id. Okay, show post id, and now we are going to create this delete function in our postcrud.php. So let's go. In below this update function we are going to create the delete function also. So public function delete $id. So now you can see the id will be display $id. Okay, this is so now you can see it's 16, and when we are going to click on this, I think this is 15. Okay, so now the id is coming. So again I am going to open this site. Okay, so let's go. We are going to write the code to delete data from our table. So we are just going to write post find $id, and just going to call the delete function. And when this is successful, then we are going to call this flash message post deleted successfully. Okay, so let's go. Now we are going to check this. So when we are going to click on this delete, so it will be deleted from here also. So I am just going to refresh it. So you can see there is 8 record, total 8 record is there. So when I am going to delete this, so it will be 7 record. Okay, so I think we have to comment this dd. Okay, so now we are going to, and when we are going to click on this delete, so data will be post deleted successfully. And when I am going to refresh it, so total 8, now the total will be 7, and 16 id is deleted. So now again we are going to check this. Just click on delete, so it will be the post deleted successfully, and the 15 will be id 15 will be deleted. So also delete functionality is also working fine. Okay, so I think we have covered all the thing, all the operation like insert, update, delete, and everything, and view also all the posts. So this is the our Livewire Laravel CRUD application in Tailwind CSS, where we are going to doing some CRUD application. So I think this tutorial is now is finished. We have achieved the goal. And so if you not watched my previous video, so you can go. I have given the link of playlist. so you can check out all the videos. So thanks for watching this video. If you like this video, then please like, share and subscribe my channel. Bye, take care.